Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 92. In our last video, we saw comparable and comparator interface. In this video, we are going to discuss about utility classes in a collection. Collection provide utility classes for helping other classes. Utility classes like a helper classes, it help to perform a common operation. Collection framework have two utility classes. First one is the arrays and second one is the collection. Okay, array and arrays is a different thing. Collection and collections is a different thing. Array is a simple data type and arrays is a utility class, and collection is a interface and collections is a utility class. Array class provide a common method for array. Array class work for array, but it's part of a collection because arrays class introduced in a collection framework. Here you can see, here we simply declare one array and here we store some record inside the array. Then we want to sort those record by using a arrays class. Inside arrays class we have a sort method. By using that sort method we can simply sort those record. Then second we have a collections class. Collection and collections is a different. Okay, collection is a interface and collections is a utility class. Collections class provides some utility method. We can use those method in any collection class. Collection class present inside a java.util package. Here we get all common method. For a few collection don't have their own sorting, searching, and this all kind of method. Those class collections provide those method. For example, all list implemented classes and queue classes, they don't have their sort method, their own sort method. If you want to sort any array list, then we can use a collections class sort method and we can perform a sorting. Here you can see collections dot sort. Okay, let's open Eclipse and I'll simply create here one class and let's see the practically all thing. We'll simply create a part 92 and here we create a main method inside this class, and here we first create a one array. First we perform a array utility class operation. Okay, for that we need to create a one array aa equal to, and let's store some here random value. We will simply store some random value here. Okay, and we try to perform a sorting. Okay, let's add here something 7 and you can see here we simply add all this data, and by using a for each loop we will print this. Okay, let's print here this record and let's see here we simply, okay, let's print here 𝗧𝗢𝗣𝗘𝗥𝗘𝗗 and print here I value. Let's save and run. You can see here we get all data. Okay, whatever we insert a data here in the same order, here we get a data, here we get a by default insertion order. But now I want to sort this data, I want sorting data. So how can we do that? We will simply use a arrays class. Okay, use here arrays class, and you can see this arrays class present inside a java.util package, and by arrays.sort method. Okay, and here we pass this aa, here pass aa and save, and here you can see here we get all sorting data, all data in ascending order. Inside a sort, inside this arrays class, here arrays class provide a few methods, and all those methods you can see here all those method is a static method. Okay, here you can see yes, this yes sign means this method is a static method. You can see here we have lots of method present inside this array class. Binary search, all this searching, sorting, all mechanism you can perform here by using this arrays class. Okay, here we understand arrays class. Now let's understand a collections class. For that I need to create a array list object. I'll simply create here array list object. Okay, let's create here and integer al equal to new array list, and here we store some record. Here we store al dot add. Here we store first 5, then al dot add, here we store then 6. Okay, then al dot add, here we store 2, then al dot add, here we store 1. Okay, here we store some random value, and this array list follow insertion order. If we print this array list al, and here you can see here we get a insertion order, here follow insertion order. Now here array list don't provide any sorting method, but I want sort this data. I want sorting this data. So how can we do that? For that we have a collections class. Okay, let's use this collection. Here you can see this collections class. This collection is the interface and this collections is a class. Okay, collections dot sort. Okay, here we have a sort method and here we simply pass this al object, this array list object. Save this, run this, and here you can see here we get a natural sorting data. You can see inside a collection class, if you check a collection class, and you can observe here also every method, if you check any method, all method is a static method. Okay, here you can see mean, max. If you want to get any mean value, then you can use this method max value. You can check here and you can find your own which method you want to use. Okay, depend on a requirement. So here we understand what is the utility classes, what utility classes provide these arrays and collections, and you can observe here why its arrays is a part of a collection. You can see this arrays introduced with the collection framework. Okay, and this collections class also introduced with the collection framework, java collection framework. Okay, so in this video that's it. We will see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.